we're going to get the lemon. I'm going to squeeze it out like this. All right, so this is what you want to do with the lemon first thing in the morning. All right. We don't need any more lemon juice. Then I'm going to pour it into another container like this. All right. I think we may take a little bit more. Let's put a little bit more lemon. Lemon juice in it, just a little bit more. Nice one. Yeah. Then we're going to get the olive oil. 1 teaspoon of olive oil. All right. Here it is. 1 teaspoon of olive oil. All right. And then we're going to give it a mix. And then we're going to get the cayenne pepper. So I'm going to be doing this for 5 mornings. And this is my 2nd morning. All right. So here it is. This is the cayenne pepper. So what I normally do, I just use my knife just like this and just pick up a pinch of the cayenne pepper and put this inside of it. I might just put a little bit more inside of it. Lovely. And then give it a mix like this. So basically, if you have a fatty liver, this is very good for you to drink. All right, then what we're gonna do, let's come right here. Okay, we're gonna pour it out like this. Alright, excellent. Yeah, all right, so that's what you want to do in the morning. Okay, now if you cannot do that in the morning, this is another one you can also do. I'm going to show you the next one.